God is so good. God is so good. God is so good. He's so good to me. Ako po si Billy Morbid, nila taga-Karamutan, Villasis, Pangasinan, Pilipinas. Grace Talk, survivor po ako at na po ngayon ay 56 years old at po isang wheelchair dependent. Ako po isang palamunin. Ako po nagpapasalamat sa Panginoon sapagkat siya po ay gumagamit ng maraming tao upang ako po ay kanyang alalahanin. I thank God for my mother, Belinda Ordonez Tumilang, and my wife, Alona Santiago Tumilang. My children, Marnie Santiago Tumilang, Harmony Santiago Tumilang, Clef Anthony Santiago Tumilang, Ira Keisha Santiago Tumilang, Ivel Jose Santiago Tumilang, and my granddaughter, Alona Isabel Basangan. And I would like to thank also my siblings, my sister Aline Ordonez Tumilang Banda, my sister Raquel Tumilang, and my brother Roderick Ordonez, my brother-in-law Jefferson Fabro Hussein, my sister-in-law Marife Paronel Tumilang. I thank my loved ones and relatives, my former colleagues in Urdaneta City University, Don Ramon Icostales Memorial National High School, Rosales National High School, Bible Methodist College, Bible Methodist Christian Academy for their support to me. I thank also my fellow pastors, my fellow church worker, our church family here in Villasis, Pangasinan. I thank our host pastor, Pastor Jimmy Ignacio, my fellow deacon in the church, and our members of our fellowship, members of PBMCI, and my co-faculty member in Philippine Bible Methodist Shepherds College Incorporated. To all of you, thank you for your kindness, support, help, and contribution to my well-being. Thank you for helping me survive. Thank you for visiting me, for sending financial support to GCash and Pera Katala, and for supporting me personally. Thank you for your in-kind support and everything you have given me. Thank you for everything. Thank you. Thank you. And I thank you. Thank you for everything you have given me. Thank you for everything you have given me. Thank you for everything you have given me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for everything. Thank you.